Hey everyone, my daughter's friend just dropped off this bag of things for me to resell, so I'm going to haul it today. Want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Stephanie from Three Queens Resale, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me, and if you are returning, thanks for coming back as I work on building my YouTube community. I am a part-time reseller. Full-time, I am a middle school language arts teacher, and I have two girls, hence the name Three Queens, and I am married to my wonderful husband, Brian. And in my part-time, I like to work on my side hustle, reselling clothing, which means I just find clothing from friends, family, Goodwills, and resell it for profit. So today's video is a thrift haul donated to me by one of my daughter's friends, Alice. So if you're interested in thrift hauls, go ahead and hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on my resale journey as I work on building my resale business. So let's get into this haul. So Alice is one of my daughter's best friends, and she often gives me things to sell. And so she just donates to me. I have consignment customers. She's not one of them. She just donates. So these are the Hollister size 27 jeans. They're distressed. They have a cuff. Can we uncuff them? Yeah, you can uncuff them. Skinny jeans. So I haven't looked up any comps. I just got this bag. This is a Polly, which I think is like a fast fashion brand. These are knit shorts. Yeah, do they look better back here? Yeah. Pink knit shorts. Interesting. Oh, wait. And it has a coordinating sweater. This is size extra small. So those little knit shorts have this coordinating sweater. So this is kind of out of season because it's April, but you know, I list things year round. Next up are these cute little tops, Forever 21. And when people give me things, I just take it and I list it because I have zero money in it to it. This is a Me to We, which I just sold a top like this. Me to We. I think it's PacSun. I just sold a Me to We top a couple of weeks ago for Poshmark for like $8. So everybody doesn't have everything everywhere. So I have items at all price points. That way people can easily bundle. This is an Intimately Free People bra top with elastic strings. These are all going to be, this is a size small. All of her things are going to be small to extra small, I would think, because she's a tiny girl. This is the Soft and Sexy tank, small and a tan. And I'll probably list these all for about $10 a piece. I don't really lot things up. People can make bundles if they want. This is a pink tank, crop top, size small in black. And then, oh, this is cute. So this, let me move these over. This is Calvin Klein, and it is a size small. Just a cropped, hooded logo hoodie. Calvin Klein Performance. That should be $20 or so, I would think. This is just a jerseys, like property of Lake Erie Island sweatshirt that we got up at the lake. She comes on a lot of vacations with us. And then this is a Shein, which is a fast fashion brand, but it doesn't look like it's been worn. It says Hawaii, USA in green. It's also a size small. This is Sky and Sparrow, which I hate bodysuit. I'm not familiar with that brand, but it's a size small, a Henley button front swimsuit, bodysuit. And then this is another Forever 21, like a little boho cropped tank with some embroidery pattern, and it does have a side zip. So that could be like dressy. There's quite a little stuff in this little bag. Another Intimately Free People bralette tank thingy. I forgot what you call these. Yeah. Ooh. She's got it folded all nicely. Oh, I have one of these listed for Courtney. This is an Under Armour long sleeve, like cross-back sweatshirt or cross-front like workout top, and it has the Cruise Nest logo on it. That is the country club where my in-laws belong to, so that's like branded for them, but it is on Under Armour. And then this is just a tank top for my daughter's, their cheer team, which I'm going to keep this for their quilt, their senior quilt. Then Vineyard Vine. Now, I can't tell if she cropped this herself, but it is a Vineyard Vine size large crop tee. Looks like she might have cropped it herself. Then this is Hem and Thread. Just a nice little summer short sleeve striped shirt. University of Illinois. Oh, I see. She probably cropped this one too. This is a medium, just a crop tee on a glidden t-shirt. This is Lily Pulitzer. It is a size large. And I forgot what this shirt was called, but it's a oversized like tee. And then this is a Gap medium, like a pullover or a popover long sleeve striped seersucker. And it is a size medium. And then another Forever 21 piece, size medium, just like a Henley thermal. And she gave me all of these things for free just to resell. So I always appreciate donations. If you are starting off in your resale business, be sure to tell people what you do because people want to help you. This is a J. Galt medium cropped New York just white t-shirt. Same kind of thing. This, I believe, this is like a Butler Bulldogs t-shirt cropped. And it's missing the size tag, so I'll have to note that. This is a pink, just regular V-neck t-shirt with no branding on it. So not only branding is this little puppy down here at the bottom. So won't get a bunch for it, but it is pink. So I'll probably go for something on eBay. Now this is Under Armour, not Under Armour. Lululemon. This is Lululemon. If anyone knows where I could find the size dot on this, let me know in the comments, please. Because I don't see the pull tag is missing. I'm going to say it's probably a medium, so I'll have to do measurements. This is Athleta. An Athleta, and it's like a pale pink. I think my light is washing it out. It's a size extra small, and it's that Swiftly material. So maybe I can get a little more. Oh, maybe not. Swiftly the is Lululemon, but it's like that. Reminds me of that. This is Forever 21, and it is a t-shirt dress, size small, burgundy. And another Sky and Sparrow piece. This is a little dress. I need to find out where this originates from. If you know where this brand is sold, Sky and Sparrow, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Help a sister out. But it's a floral pink, a floral print dress, cute for spring. A couple more pieces here. And this is Offline. I don't know that brand. That's a new to me brand. Size medium, like an oversized, like thermal type thing. It's nice. Size medium, I'll have to look that up as well. And the last piece is Ivory Ella, and it is a long sleeve t-shirt, size medium. So that is my haul from Alice, my daughter's good friend. And if you see anything in that haul that you would like to purchase, please be sure to contact me at this email below. Reach out to me and we can work out a deal. And thank you so much for watching. And once again, if you like haul videos, be sure to hit the like button. YouTube helps me, likes it, and it helps me out. And also consider subscribing so that you can follow me on my resale journey as I work on building my YouTube community and sharing